It's been a while since I've done a proper vlog, but today we're going to outlet shopping to Italy again, and I just thought that I would take you with me. But first I have to get ready. As you can see, I already prepped my hair, but the rest of my face is completely naked. Because we're going shopping, I want to keep my foundation to a minimum because I don't want to stain anything. So what I'm gonna use first is my Flawless Filter Tinted Glow, and I'm just gonna apply it everywhere as I always do. I also washed my makeup brushes yesterday, which is an amazing feeling for today. This is the glow done. As you can see, it's not full coverage at all. It just gives me a nice little tint, but now I also want to use my concealer. This concealer is so hard to open for some reason, but the product is still okay. But as I'm doing this, I can actually walk you through some of the items that I'm hoping to find today, because whenever I'm going shopping somewhere, I always go through my wish list and I reassess what is important to me and what it's not. But today what I want to find, hopefully, is a coral check scarf. That would be absolutely amazing, especially now that I have a new coral handbag. Then another thing I want to look out for is a black layered midi skirt, which is probably a long shot because we're going into winter, but you know, I still want to have my eye open. And then last, for my high priority, I also want to look for the black sling bags with a little bit of the heel, which again, it's probably a long shot because of the season, but I still want to look. And now I'm just gonna set everything with my setting powder. I also love to go over my eyes with the setting powder, so my eyeshadow applies a little bit more evenly and it's not as patchy. And then I'm just gonna go all over my face with a setting powder as well. Now for my eyes, I'm actually gonna use my bronzer that it's falling apart. As you can see, I also used up quite a bit of it. I'm really focused on using this one up so I can declutter it soon. But how I've been enjoying it lately is just I apply it all over in my crease. It's a really nice natural kind of look. But now for my medium priority items, what I want to find is a beach bag, which again, it's a long shot, but still. And then I also want to look out for some nude kind of flats, maybe ballerinas, maybe sneakers that I talked about in another video, something like that. Again, I'm just gonna look at all of the different shoes, and if something catches my eye, then possibly I can get it. And then the shoes that I'm really hoping to find today, because it's the perfect season, and that are the flat over the knee boots in a neutral light color. If I could find a pair like that today, I would be absolutely over the moon. I love my tonal outfits, monochrome outfits, and to have something that is really comfortable and stylish, that would be absolutely amazing. As you can see, this bronzer looks so nice in my crease. It's so natural, but I just feel a little bit more put together. And now the only other thing that I want to do to my eye is apply an eyeshadow eyeliner, which I love to do. I'm gonna use this bottom shade right here, and I'm just gonna give myself a little bit more definition. You can immediately see the difference. This eye is just a little bit more open and it pops a little bit more. So that's something that I almost never skip because it really makes a difference with my eyes. For the rest of my eyes, you already know the routine. First, I have the white pencil for my inner corners. Then I have the thick brow gel that gives me just a little bit more volume as well as the color. Again, you can see the difference right away. I love this product so much. It also stays on the entire day, which is perfect. And then of course the mascara, and then my eyes are completely finished. And now for my low priority list, I have a small backpack on my wish list, which I'm very excited about. I told you about that before. Obviously, it's not a huge necessity in my wardrobe, but if I can find a really cute tiny backpack, I think that would be amazing, especially because they have really nice bag selection at the shopping center. And then I also want to look out for their jewelry because, like I said, I want to have some pieces for layering, but then I'm also gonna look for a replacement today because my Swarovski bangle is completely stained. As you can see, it's a little bit hard to show you on camera, but I think you can tell. And I actually went into the Swarovski store, I showed them everything, and they agreed it's their problem, it's not on my end. And because I still have the receipt, I can find some kind of a different product to exchange for this one. But at the moment, they don't really have any gold bangles that I love. So that's why I want to look for one in the shopping center. Then I also want to look at some rings, if maybe they have anything special. And lastly, I want to look for a tan or beige blazer or a beige camel coat, something like that. This is obviously low priority, but I just want to have an eye out. And as you can see on my wish list, everything that is important to me, I just underlined today. Maybe, oh yeah, I remembered, maybe I can add, I'm gonna add the shirt dress to my list. and I'm gonna put it to medium priority. If you remember, a white shirt dress or even a black shirt dress, that can be amazing. It can be so versatile. So I think that's gonna be my wish list done for today. And now if I continue with my makeup, I'm gonna apply my bronzer all over my face. I'm not gonna go too heavy, just a tiny bit. Then I'm gonna apply the blush, a little bit of highlighter, and of course a lipstick. Today I'm using the Pillow Talk because I've been really focused on it lately. As you can see, I don't have a lot of it left, so I just kind of want to use it up because that is very satisfying to me. And I think I'm gonna take this one with me to Italy as well in case I want to touch up. And then the last step is my setting spray, so everything holds in place. And that's my glowy makeup done for today. The only thing I did with my hair is just I refreshed, I mean, they're not bangs, but just the front part, because I don't really want to do my hair. We're gonna be outside a lot and my hair is gonna be a mess anyway, but just the front part, I wanted to give it some volume, a little bit of shape. Maybe I got a little bit too much, but it's gonna settle over time. So this is me ready. I'm right on time. Now my mom is gonna come over. We're gonna grab some food and then we're gonna leave. Also, before we go, I want to quickly show you my outfit of the day. For my jewelry, I'm wearing everything minimal in case, again, I'm gonna try things on and off. I want to make things easy for myself, so I just have the simple silver earrings and the silver watch, and also the gold bangle for reference if I'm looking for a replacement. For my top, I decided to wear my beige turtleneck that it's super cozy and warm and easy to take on and off. And then I also have the black skinny jeans without any belt because, again, that's gonna make it easy for me to try things on when I'm in the store. And also Ugg boots, again, very easy to take on and off. Whenever I'm going shopping, I always make sure my outfit is very practical. And now for my outerwear, I'm wearing the faux fur coat because it's very warm and cozy. It's the warmest coat that I currently have in my collection. And then for my handbag, or for my bag, I'm wearing the new humongous bag. As you can see, it's really empty at the moment. We have some snacks, some water in here, some essentials, wallet, all of that. But the beauty of this one is that if we buy anything, we can put it inside in here, so it's kind of like a shopper bag. And again, I'm so excited I got this one. And if I put it on the shoulder, you can see my final outfit of the day. And Bali is also going with us because it's a short little trip and they allow dogs there. And I wanted to show you his little coat as well because we want to make sure he doesn't get cold. But now he's just next to me. I want him to turn around. Bali, pidi tuki. Tuki pit, Tuki, Sidi. Who's a good boy? I mean, this is so adorable. He's so cute and he even has a little hood. Hello. How can anyone be so cute? I love him so much. I hope he's gonna enjoy today. For an hour and a half now and we still have 30 minutes to go. But one really exciting thing that I forgot to show you in the morning is that I actually have 2 coupons to use up today, because if you remember, last Christmas we decided to gift each other coupons, and because life has been just busy and all of that, I still haven't used some of them. So today I have one coupon for my husband and the other one for my mom, which makes shopping so much more fun because I don't have to buy anything. I just love shopping like this. When you buy something, it has a little bit more meaning, and yeah, hopefully I can find something that I love. And now we arrived and my mom can show you her outfit of the day. She wanted to be very sporty, very relaxed, but she still looks gorgeous. Bali! Julia, Julia! Julia, Julia!
Baba mu baixo tudo.
Ah, né?
Ja, põe no caixa.
Legal.
Ce isto com...
already tell that shopping was a success and I got something off my wish list, which is amazing. And today I want to do a little unboxing with you, of course. But first I'm gonna tease you a little bit and I'm just gonna show you two beauty products that I bought. These are both from L'Occitane and I love this line when I'm working on my computer and I want to refresh my hands, but at the same time I don't want them to be oily. This is my go-to hand cream, and because I was running low, I decided to get two of them so I can keep them next to my computer. And now for the main reveal, I'm gonna give you a little hint first, and maybe this is gonna clue you in and you can already tell what I got. Here is the little dust bag because I found the backpack. Oh my god, it's so cute. As you can see, this one is really tiny, but it's still stylish, and that's exactly what I wanted. And if you remember my old backpack that I decluttered, with that one, for a while, I've been really loving it. I've been wearing it loads, but then lately I started noticing that I don't really fill it up. Even though it's a nice sized backpack, I just take my essentials with me and then everything else is empty. So I pretty much carried an empty backpack with me everywhere, and it was unnecessarily heavy. So then I just started avoiding it because I honestly preferred my crossbody bags as opposed to my old backpack. And for a while I was kind of convinced that my crossbody bags are gonna be more than enough for me, but then life happens, you live your life, and I started realizing that when I was putting an outfit together and when I went somewhere, I had a thought, oh, a small backpack would be nice in this situation. And because that kept going on and on and on, I kind of put the backpack on my wish list, and here we are. This is a long story short. I know I expanded my collection a lot this year, and I'm sure gonna declutter it in the near future, but first of course I want to give it some time. But now I can stop rambling and I can show you the backpack in all of its glory. First thing that you can notice right away is that the hardware, it's not in your face. It's really, I mean, you can still see it, but it's still, for me, it's still a little bit more subtle. It's kind of a champagne gold, but this is actually a little clasp for this little pocket at the front, which I know it's not the most practical, but I can still put some keys in here or something like that. And honestly, I think it looks amazing. It just adds a nice little shape to the backpack. But now for the inside, here we have the little paper that I can actually take off. Here we go. And then we have the strings and loads of paper inside. So this is pretty much everything that fits inside. I already tried some things in store, but I can show you that my pouch can fit inside easily. The same goes for my wallet, wipes. I have the lip balm and the hand cream, car keys, and of course a phone. As you can see, this is the perfect size. I also have a little pocket right here and I can easily close it. I know you cannot tell on camera, but this little backpack is now full and I think it's so amazing. It's not too heavy at all. But then if I move some things around and if I put some things in the front pocket, I can actually put the mirror in here and the lip balm and also the hand cream. This saves me a little bit of space, which means my vlogging camera can go inside as well, which was really important to me when I was in shopping center. Obviously I was vlogging, so I could test if everything fits inside before I bought it. Here's the backpack from the side. It's not too full at all. Again, it's not too heavy and I think it looks amazing. And also I want to mention that this is actually a gift from my mom because my mom bought it for me. So it's kind of a Christmas present from previous year, but it doesn't matter. What I love about presents like this is that when I'm gonna be wearing it, I'm gonna think of my mom, so it makes it just a little bit more special. And here is the backpack next to my frame, so you can see the size a little bit better. I think it's so cute. I love the size. I also love that it comes with a top handle because it makes it just a little bit more practical to carry. And also one thing that I forgot to mention is the color, because this was very intentional color choice. The two reasons why I picked this one is first that I didn't want to get anything black because I have more than enough black handbags, so I wanted to have something a little bit more fun. And then the second reason I chose this color is because I see myself wearing this backpack mostly in the summer months when it's really hot on the holidays. And you know me, in the summer months I wear my Valentino nude sandals all of the time. I have the heeled version and the flat version, and this backpack would go perfectly with both of them. So that's the main reason for the color choice. Also, I've been really enjoying this camel color lately. I also have the camel pants that I got from my mom not too long ago. And also one thing that I forgot to mention, in the shopping center I actually put on a camel turtleneck that I really loved. And I was really convinced to buy it, but then I checked the price and it was just too expensive, so I just didn't get it because the return on my investment would be a little bit too low. But yeah, like I said, I'm really into this color at the moment and I love this backpack. But let me know your thoughts. Also, if you're enjoying this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you next time.